मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, नमस्कार। मन की बात में आप सबका स्वागत है।
योगेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयंबकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय।
ये सुरीली आवाज जर्मनी की एक बेटी की है। इस बिटिया का नाम कैसमी है कि वे कई सारी भारतीय भाषाओं में गाने में महारत हासिल कर चुकी है। जन्म से ही देख नहीं पाती है। ये मुश्किल चुनौती उन्हें असाधारण उपलब्धियों से रोक नहीं पाई।
When I heard that Narendra Modi ji was mentioning me in his Mann Ki Baat, it definitely meant the world to me. I just couldn't believe it. And I was so baffled by it. Like, I didn't know what to say for some minutes. I was just speechless. It changed my life a lot. There was actually so much media going on. Like, also in Germany, it was 10 to 20 interviews a day. So last year, I got actually the call from the Prime Minister's office telling me, okay, he wants to meet you. Where we met, he was being very kind to me. Like, he cracked jokes and it was very funny. He is a huge politician in the world. I really kind of see it as a role model that he presents himself still as a human being. I'm very grateful for him for mentioning me, because I would never have thought that he would like my songs so much, that he would see the love I have for India, and I still can't believe it. It's still unreal. I'm just very happy. I really love music and spirituality, so I love you, India. Hey Bhola Shankara, आवड तुला बेलाची बेलाच्या पानाची.